Okay, good morning everyone. Our topic for today is about pictograph. Okay, first let us define what is pictograph. A pictograph uses symbols or pictures to represent values. Each picture has some value. For example, let's say we want to graph the amount of milkfish bones and pork luncheon meat during each month using a pictograph. Different months have different amount of milkfish bones and pork luncheon meat. We could use the picture of milkfish bones and pork luncheon meat to show some amount. So I've drawn this example behind me of a pictograph of the over through the month of January to March. We are going to use the peso sign to represent per can. Each peso sign stands for 20 pesos per can. So every time we see a peso sign in our graph, we know that equals to 20 pesos per can. Using a peso sign to represent, there is 20 pesos per can of milkfish bones and marked luncheon meat. We can graph using a certain number of peso sign for each month. So as you can see in January, we have milkfish bones of 16. So we all know that peso sign here stands for 20 pesos per can. And the pork is 14. This peso sign. Okay, for the month of January, we have milkfish bones of 17 peso sign. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have here 17 peso sign. Each peso sign stands for 20 pesos per can. So we have 17. The pork is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 peso sign. Each peso sign stands for 20 pesos per can. So we have 14. Our milkfish bones for the month of January, we have 17. Our pork is 14. So the total of milkfish bones for the month of January is 340. The total of pork for the month of January is 280. For the month of February, we have milkfish bones of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 milkfish bones. So each peso sign here stands for 20 pesos per can. So we have 15. And the pork is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 peso signs for pork. Each peso sign stands for 20 pesos per can. So we have for the month of February, our milkfish bones is 300 and the pork is 160 pesos. For the month of March, we have milkfish bones of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16 milkfish bones. And the pork is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 pork. So each peso sign here stands for 20 pesos per can. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in milkfish bone, we have 16 peso sign. 16 times 20 equals 320. And the pork is, we have 8 peso sign. So peso sign here stands for 20 pesos per can. We have 8. So the total of pork for the month of March is 120. Okay. Let us total the amount. We have the months of January, February, and March. Our milkfish bones, we have 17 milkfish bones for the month of January. The total is 340. Our pork is we have 14. So the total of pork, the amount of pork for the month of February is 280. In February, we have 300. And the pork is 160 pesos. For the month of March, we have 320 and the pork is 120. So the total of overall for the month of January, February, and March, the milkfish bones is 960 and the pork is 560. So thank you guys for listening. I hope you have learned about my report. So thank you and God bless.